I just got back from school and I just wanted to. So there's another Wednesday, so it's a vlog video. I don't know. I really can't tell my vlog videos. I don't know what day, but I think Wednesdays. So yeah, I'm in the daytime because you can tell. If you can see what I'm pointing at. And I mean, there. Won't touch it. Anyway, hey, can you notice right here? That's Michael Jackson. So yeah. Mm. Mm. I'm just listening. But yeah, guys. So yeah. I'm gonna make it some Minecraft K-Buskers fingers in a minute. Really soon. So yeah. Intro darkness, brightness, redness, whiteness. Yeah. So bye guys. See you later.